Hey guys, it's Elise and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from UNiceHair, and if you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave all the details and links and discount codes in the info section below, so be sure to check there. Now this is everything that I received with my wig. It came along as a free gift. I'm not sure if you're going to receive the very things that I have, so you may want to check with the company prior to making your purchases, but this right here I liked a whole lot and I'm super happy that I got it. I got a little silk robe from Unice and I will be wearing it very soon, so thank you so much for my robe. Now once again, this wig comes from Unice and this is the wig that I have. This is their 4x4 lace closure wig. I got it in the body wave texture and my wig is 24 inches long, 150% density. This is what it looks like. Now if you guys are interested in this wig, I do have a discount code for you guys, so in case you guys want to save an additional percentage off of your purchases, use discount code MyUnice to be able to save some cash. They also have their afterpay option, so you guys don't have to splurge all at once, so you can split up your payments into 4 equal payments just to kind of help you guys out a little bit. So right now I'm just bleaching the knots, and if you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do this, I will be sure to link a video above in the card, so be sure to check there. So for those of you guys who are new here, this is how we tint our lace. Now you can use a little bit of foundation or powder, whatever is easier for you. However, I'm lazy, so I just like to tint it all at once, and then it's going to be tinted for the life of the wig. I don't have to ever go back in and reapply foundation powder or anything like that. It just melts right into my skin, and you guys can notice the before and the after. So pretty much we're good to go. So now I'm just customizing my wig as I usually do. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do this, definitely check the cards above. Okay, so this portion of the video might be all over the place, so I'm gonna do my best at explaining exactly what I'm doing. So I knew I wanted layers in this hair, but I don't trust myself when it comes down to cutting layers or anything like that. I do know that I have a love-hate relationship with body wave hair because it's always looking quite flat, so I wanted to add some layers so it can be voluminous, because I'm gonna go in and curl this hair. So I stumbled across this video, and I'll be sure to link that video below, but this girl had this method how she's able to easily layer her hair, being that she's not an expert expert or a stylist, and neither am I. So she rubber band each side of her hair in cascading lengths, and then she just sort of trimmed off the very ends just to add, you know, choppy layers. And then you're going to go in with some sort of razor comb, or if you are good with scissors, you're just going to want to blend everything out and clean everything up. I left the very back in its true length because I'm just cutting layers, and I literally just wanted to add some, you know, nice big voluminous curls. But once again, I will leave her video below because she will explain in great detail. I do not know what I'm doing, so do not follow what I'm doing. Watch her video, check her out. So now I'm going to go in with my 1.5-inch barrel curling iron. I'm going to do some nice big fluffy curls, and you're going to want to set with a holding spray, and I'm also using some little clips to kind of keep everything in place.
When I'm flying, the descent is still my favorite part. Easy to end and hard for me to start. You don't wanna feel that part of me that's cold and numb with apathy. Cause when I feel that way, I can't help nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. Nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, no, nobody, I can't trust nobody. No, 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 not even myself. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Look in the mirror, look at your face. See that it's destiny, see that it's fate. Wash off the mess of me from yesterday. Hit the sativa, caffeine in the play. As a superhero stand beside when I'm feeling down, down, down. But I'm optimistic that I can turn it all around, round, round. Baby, if you felt my pain, you know how strong I am. Make this shit look easy, swear it's hard to stand. I didn't make no time for falling. It was never in my plan. Examination, recall, rehold, that's just who I am. Are you checking on me? Are you check secured? Are you
Now I'm going to go in with my Melt Me Down spray and get this lace nice and melted. Now if you guys are worried about this product turning like that weird white crusty color, just blow dry it. Don't use anything to tie it down, so therefore it won't turn white. Now I'm going in with a little bit of foundation just because I have that black stocking cap on underneath the wig, just to kind of cancel out that color. Just add a little bit of foundation and then it looks like scalp. So you guys get into this hair. As I'm brushing it out, you guys just notice like the volume is giving. It's not giving too much because, you know, I need to keep practicing on layering hair because it's not like the full thickness that I was hoping for. But it will definitely do for now. So now I'm going in with my hot comb, just gonna flatten everything on top, make everything look natural, and this is the final result. So you guys get into the hair. I am in love with the sheen that this hair is giving off. It's giving a super healthy and natural grade of hair, and I just cannot get enough of it. I love how effortless the curls play out in this wig. They're not super uniform, so you can definitely get away with wearing this particular style for a variety of different occasions. You can wear it to school, to work, if you're going out with your girls, date night, so on and so forth. I am here for it. Absolutely gorgeous. Once again, you guys do check out Unice. I will leave all the information in the info section below. If you guys are interested in saving an additional 10% off of your purchases, use my discount code MyUnice to save an additional 10%. And if you guys, for whatever reason, are not satisfied with your purchases, you can definitely return your wig within 30 days free of charge. Be sure to hit up Unice to be able to follow up for more information in regards to that. So once again, you guys, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.